Hi, in this video, I will show you how to install the Openbox window manager, and additionally, we will install a web browser. For a lot of course material for the next part, for the next lessons, will be made available on the internet, so you need a web browser to access it. And that web browser is Firefox. Let's begin. Sudo apt get install Openbox and Firefox web browser. Enter. My password. You can see that the install will very fast because I have downloaded the packet on this machine to save time. Okay. Now that the Openbox and Firefox packet have installed on this system, we will testing it. Start it. This started command will initiate the graphic user interface. Enter. Now we have a gray screen and a mouse pointer. Right click and we have the right click menu, terminal, emulator, and web browser. Okay. Now that we have installed Openbox and Firefox web browsers, is it? I will end this video here. Please go into the next video for the next part.